Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see this amazing tea light candle coaster design tutorial. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. This was a basic round, foundation round. Now for the second round, see we will use back thread. See this back thread of every single stitch. Okay, so we will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and both stitches we are going to make in only using back thread of every single stitch. So for second round pattern is 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch, and just by using back thread of every single stitch. If any of you want to refer tutorial video for double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. It is in that I have given very slow demonstration and quite easily I have explained it, of course with written notes. So please do refer that video, and it's quite easy to understand. See, I have completed my second round also. Now as usual we will close this round, complete this round by joining first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Now we will make one double crochet stitch. See, we will make one double crochet stitch. Okay, the same stitch where we have made that slip stitch to join first and the last stitch. Okay, now we will make a double crochet stitch. After that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches, 3. Then again a double stitch in the same stitch where we made our first double crochet stitch. So we get a triangle. Okay, now we make 2 chain crochet stitch, and we will skip now 2 stitches, and in third stitch we will again make a double crochet stitch. Same pattern, double crochet stitch, 3 chain crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch in one stitch itself. Then 2 chain crochet stitches, skip 2 stitches, and again in third stitch we have to again make that triangle. A double crochet stitch, 3 chain crochet stitch, and again a double crochet stitch. So like, see, we are getting these small triangles. Okay, so like we are going to do same pattern all around the circle. I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. See, now here we are done with our framework, complete framework. Okay, our further design is going to come on this framework. Now we are going to work only, first we'll cut this yarn because we don't need it anymore. Okay, now we are going to join new yarn. To join new yarn, okay, first thing first, we are going to work only in triangle. See, now we are going to work in every alternate triangle. like we will make a pattern in one triangle, we will skip next triangle, then next to it we will again start a pattern. Now to add new yarn, we will make slip stitch of the new yarn with the middle stitch of that chain of 3, the chain which is coming between 2 double crochet stitches of every triangle. Okay, after that we will make 5 chain crochet stitches. Okay, once we are done with 5 chain crochet stitches, now we will make 25, I know it's a big number, 25 double crochet stitches around one double crochet stitch of that triangle. Okay, just remember you have to make 25 double crochet stitches starting from the middle stitch of that chain of 3 in the triangle between the 2 double crochet stitches. Though starting from the middle stitch we will make a slip stitch with the new yarn. Okay, and then we make 5 chain crochet stitches. After 5 chain crochet stitches we will make 25 double crochet stitches around that one double crochet stitch of a triangle. I'll just complete this 25 stitches. See, this is how it looks. Okay, now just turn your work upside down. See, this way. Okay, now again we have to make 25 double crochet stitches around another double crochet stitch of that triangle. I'll just complete this 25 stitches and I'll show you. See, now here I am done with all the stitches, 25 around one double crochet stitch and 25 around another double crochet stitch. Okay, now we will join first double crochet stitch and last double crochet stitch with a slip stitch. See, we are getting a complete circle, complete ring. Okay, now after this comes last step will be there. Now last step is we will make one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the circle. Okay, just remember one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the circle. I'll just complete this thing and I'll show you. Here I am done with all the slip stitch, that round of slip stitch. Okay, here our pattern is complete. Now we are going to skip that next triangle. As I told you, we are going to work in only triangles. So in one triangle we made a pattern. So triangle which is next to it, we will skip it. Before that, we will make 5 chain crochet stitches. Okay. Now we will join last stitch with the same chain from where we started a pattern with a slip stitch. Just make a slip stitch around that chain. There we go. Okay, see, this is how. Now we will make 10 chain crochet stitches. 10 chain crochet stitches. Okay, and now see, we are skipping that next triangle. Okay, we are going to other one next to it, alternate triangle. So again we are making a slip stitch with the middle stitch of that chain of 3, which is joining 2 double crochet stitches. So we will make a slip stitch with the middle stitch. There it goes. And now rest of the pattern is same. We will start with 5 chain crochet stitches, then make 25 double crochet stitches around one double crochet stitch. Turn our work upside down. Again make 25 stitches in other double crochet stitch of the triangle. and then we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, I will show you one more pattern. Just see carefully if you have any kind of confusion. So I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, now here we are done with our 25 double crochet stitches. Now last step, we are again making one slip stitch in each single stitch. Okay, one slip stitch in each single stitch all around the circle. I'll just complete this. See here I'm done with that slip stitch round also. Now we will make 5 chain crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now we will join it with the same chain from where we started our pattern. Okay, we will join it with the slip stitch. There goes a slip stitch with the same chain from where we started our pattern. There it goes. And after that we make a chain of 10 chain crochet stitches and join last stitch with the alternate triangle. We will skip next triangle and one next to it. See, we will skip next triangle and next to it again with the middle stitch we will join it with a slip stitch. There it goes, and again a pattern starts. Okay, see, we are getting nice rings. So I'll complete this whole thing and I'll show you. See, this is how it looks. Isn't it new and pretty? So this is how the pattern goes. Now if you want to see, we have worked in all the alternate triangles. We have skipped every next angle where, okay, so you can decorate it more. You can put pearls or any beads or anyhow. Even if you want to leave it same way, it is good. It will be good. I'll show you my final piece. So this is how my final piece looks like. So if you have liked the video, please like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, I'll request you, please do subscribe my YouTube channel, as I'm coming up with many new ideas. And as you can see, everything is with a written note, so it's quite easy to understand. And those who have already subscribed my YouTube channel, thank you, thanks a lot, thank you so much. And please stay connected as I'm coming up with many new tutorial videos.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.